Hello friends, welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring a concept that has the potential to transform your life: detachment. In this fast-paced world, detachment allows us to embrace peace, freedom, and happiness. So, let's delve into the profound benefits of detachment and discover strategies to practice it for a more fulfilling and balanced life. Friends, we have few questions for you before we dive into today's video. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the demands of life? Do you find yourself constantly chasing after success, possessions, or validation from others? It's common to get caught up in the cycle of attachment and expectation, and it can leave us feeling exhausted and unfulfilled. But what if there was a way to break free from this pattern? Well, that's where the power of detachment comes in. Detachment might sound like a difficult or even cold concept, but in reality, it is about finding a deeper sense of connection and understanding. By detaching ourselves from outcomes and external factors, we can tap into a higher level of consciousness and become superior human beings. So, if you're curious to unlock the secrets of detachment and experience more peace, freedom, and happiness in your life, keep watching. Before we dive into the depths of detachment, I want to ask you a favor. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be supporting us in creating more insightful content like this. Now, let's explore the wonders of detachment. What exactly is detachment? Detachment is the ability to let go of attachments, desires, and expectations. It is about freeing ourselves from the burden of clinging to outcomes and external factors. By detaching ourselves, we can achieve a higher level of consciousness and become superior human beings. Detachment is not about being cold or distant. Rather, it brings us closer to understanding ourselves and others. By practicing detachment, we experience more inner peace, freedom from anxieties, and a greater sense of overall happiness. It allows us to be present in the moment without being overwhelmed by our desires or attachments. Now, let's explore some strategies to help you incorporate detachment into your daily life. One effective method is observing our thoughts and emotions without getting attached to them. By simply noticing and acknowledging our thoughts and feelings, we can create distance and neutrality, avoiding unnecessary suffering. Another way to practice detachment is by letting go of expectations. Often, we create rigid expectations from ourselves, others, and life situations. When these expectations are not met, we experience disappointment and frustration. By loosening our grip on expectations, we welcome serenity, allowing life to unfold naturally. Developing a mindfulness practice can also aid in detachment. By cultivating awareness of the present moment and grounding ourselves in the here and now, we can detach from worries about the past or future. Mindfulness allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, fostering a sense of detachment and inner peace. Taking care of our physical and mental well-being is another crucial aspect of practicing detachment. When we nurture ourselves through activities like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature, we create a foundation of inner strength and resilience. This strength enables us to detach from external circumstances and find peace within. Detachment plays a crucial role in our relationships. It allows us to develop a healthier dynamic by avoiding possessiveness or the need for control. When we detach from outcomes in our interactions, we allow space for growth and understanding between ourselves and others. It fosters a deeper connection, rooted in empathy and acceptance. In our personal relationships, detachment allows us to appreciate and love others without becoming dependent on their validation or actions. It liberates us from the need to control their decisions or seek constant reassurance. Detachment allows for genuine love and respect, free from attachment and expectations. In our professional lives, detachment enables us to approach challenges with a clear mind and an open heart. By not attaching our self-worth to external achievements, we embrace a sense of freedom and flexibility. This mindset empowers us to navigate setbacks, failures, and successes without losing our sense of self. Detachment also plays a significant role in leadership. A detached leader is someone who is able to make decisions free from personal biases or emotions. This detachment allows for objective decision-making and fosters trust and respect among team members. Detachment acts as a gateway to self-awareness and mindfulness. It helps us become conscious of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. When we detach, we gain the ability to respond rather than react impulsively. We become more attuned to the present moment, fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Through detachment, we cultivate a deep understanding of our own strengths and limitations. We become more aware of our patterns and habits, allowing us to make conscious choices that align with our values and goals. Self-awareness empowers us to live more authentically and intentionally, free from the constraints of attachment. Mindfulness is closely linked to detachment, as it involves bringing our attention to the present moment with an attitude of non-judgment. By cultivating mindfulness, we develop the ability to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. This detached observation creates space for clarity, understanding, and wise decision-making. Here we conclude our video. My friends, let us recap our discussions in today's video. We have discussed that detachment is a powerful tool that allows us to live a more fulfilling and balanced life. It liberates us from the bonds of attachment and expectation, opening up a world of peace, freedom, and happiness. By observing our thoughts and emotions, letting go of expectations, and practicing detachment in our relationships, we can become superior human beings, leading more purposeful lives. So, embrace detachment and embark on a journey towards self-discovery and personal growth. Remember, by detaching, we find true liberation. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. And always remember, on your manifestation journey, you are divinely guided. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, and may your path be filled with blessings.